Hello and welcome. Today we are going to make a parrot craft that flaps its wings. Okay, for this craft we need one A4 sheet, scissor, glue, some sketch pens and some small red A4 sheet. First of all, we will take the A4 sheet and we will fold the A4 sheet into half. When we will fold the A4 sheet into half, we will cut a triangle from this folding side. So this is my triangle I had cut from folding side. Now we will keep it aside and we will take this A4 sheet again and we will cut a long strip from this rest of the sheet. We will cut this much strip from this sheet. Now we need to cut one circle from the sheet. Like this. Also we had cut one small triangle from red sheet. So now all our cutouts are ready. 1, 2, 3 and this one small beak 4. Now we will take this sheet and fold this sheet into half. After folding this sheet into half, we will take our triangular part and we will keep this triangular part here. After keeping this triangular part here, we will paste this triangular part into this sheet. We will spread some glue inside this and we will paste this triangular part here. Make sure you will not spread some glue inside this. We are only pasting these wings into this sheet. After this, we will take this circle and we will paste this circle here and we will cut the extra part of the sheet. Now by cutting this extra part, we will paste this circle here. Spreading some glue here and we are pasting this face here. After this, we will paste this beak here and draw a little eye of the parrot. Now we will draw a little eye of the parrot by just a circle. So this is the eye of our parrot and this is the beak of our parrot. Now we will keep it aside and we will take our sheet and we will cut a long strip from the sheet, a thin long strip. So this is our thin long strip. We will cut this thin long strip into 2 parts. And now we will paste this thin strip, one strip here on the half of the wing and one strip on this side on half of the wing. We will paste the first strip, half of the wing, and we will paste the another strip on another half of the wing. Now we will cut these wings from back side. We will give some cuts on the wings on the back side. Now after pasting this, we will paste these two strips together just by putting some glue on the end of the strip. Now after pasting these strips together, you can move it and you can see our bird is flapping wings like this. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Bye bye.